Hey guys, Chris from Provo Audio Installation, and today we're doing a quick unboxing of this 15-inch NVX subwoofer. This is the VCW152 Dual Voice Coil 2 ohm sub, rated between 850 to 1000 watts RMS. We're going to go ahead and get this thing all pulled apart, show you the build quality, show you some of the features of the sub. We'll throw some specs down in the description too to get all into the nitty-gritty for you. But let's get this thing pulled apart, see what it looks like. Alright, so specifically here on the sub, this thing is huge. First of all, really nice cone here. This is a pressed paper cone with a fiberglass weave. Kind of looks like carbon fiber, actually. We got a hard plastic dust cap as well, and then a high roll foam surround with nylon stitching all the way around, which is cool. This thing is nice and solid. The foam surround actually doesn't stick up too high, so in case you mount these invertedly, this actually doesn't stick up too far here. Now you have a rubber gasket up and around the basket here. And speaking of the basket, we have a heavy duty die cast aluminum basket. I love the finish. You have the kind of the antique finish here where you got the polished on the side and the darker specs on the inside. Now looking further down, magnet here, it's a triple stack magnet, 195 ounce. This thing is the beast. Has a nice polish underneath, and we'll go ahead and take the plastic off before we get this thing mounted. Now looking inside here, really nice spider. We have some heavy duty push terminals, 12 gauge here. See the spider leads there as well. And then further in there, the voice coil. This is a high temp 3-inch voice coil. Pretty cool. This thing is heavy. Now if you want more of the nitty-gritty specs, we'll go ahead and throw them down in the description as well. I'll throw a link to this sub in case you want to pick one up yourself. Use our coupon code, save a few bucks at checkout. Now of course all of you are wondering, well, what are you going to put this in and how does it sound? Well, stay tuned, let's show you. Alright, so we got our big 15-inch. We decided to go with this prefab 15-inch Q-bomb box made by Rockville. We'll throw a link in the description if you want to see this unboxing specifically with all the specs here and measurements. So let's go ahead and get this thing mounted up. Alright, got it all mounted. That thing is huge. Let's go ahead and hear it. Sub is barely moving. We have a ton of bass. And it's shaking everything in here. We're only throwing about 400 watts at it at most, maybe 300.